Hello friends, welcome in next lecture. Today we are going to learn a very important feature of OOPS programming language, where we are going to build foundation of generic programming. What do you mean by generic programming and all? Let's see. If someone asks you that they will provide you two parameters and you have to display a greater parameter from that. A simple algorithm will accept the two parameter, it will perform the comparison of the operation with that and it will give you a result. But that two parameter, it can be anything. It can be an integer, it can be a float, it can be a double, it can be a character. Your algorithm will work for all the parameters. The same kind of approach we have to use in programming also. So before we go for the generic programming and all, let's see what problem we are going to face with the normal programming. We'll write one program where we'll write one method. So let's see, hash include iostream.h. We'll start with this. Hash include conio.h. I will write one method which will give me a greater number. So let's say greater is a function which will accept two parameters of type integer, and the function will return a greater number. So return will use here conditional operator. If A is greater than B, then I'm going to display A, else I'm going to display B. Okay, and we'll close the method. Inside the void main, we'll make a call to the method greater. Inside the bracket, let's say 3, 4. So this method should display the greater number which is of type integer. Let's see, same way I have to display the greater number from my float. So greater number float. Let's say we'll make a call with the float. So 3.6 f, that is for a float, comma 17.3 f. Let's see what output we'll get. So greater number of type integer is 4 and greater number of float is 17. But in reality, I have passed 17.3. So it is truncating my float value. Okay. So let's see how we can deal with this. So I have to write one more method, float greater, which will accept two float parameters. Let's say same float A and float B. Return inside bracket, if A is greater than B, then A, else B. Same as like above, only the changes in the data type. Let's see now it is going to work or not. Just for formatting purpose, we'll put here endl. Let's execute. The greater number is 4 and greater number of a float which is of 17.299. Okay. Let's see. Now, if I will try to make a call for greater character, so greater character, again I will make a call to the greater. I will pass to characters A and let's say G, and I close this. Let's see what output will get. So greater character is 103, but I have passed a character with considering its ASCII values. Let's how we can resolve the issue. Again, we have to write same kind of method. Okay, just we have to change the data type. So it's a character, okay. Let's see the output now. Yes, now it is giving me the correct output. But this concept is nothing but your function overloading. So for different types of parameter, we have to write different type of method. Okay, so name of a method will be same, but the type of parameters are different. This we can say it's one of the drawback, because just the concept is remain same, the logic is remain same, only just because the parameters are different, we have to write a different method for that, which will increase the complexity in space, in case of space, and as well as in case of time. So just to reduce that, we have a solution, that is, instead of writing a method overloading program for this, we'll write one generic program. So what we mean by the generic programming, how we are going to implement this in OOPS. For generic programming, we have a concept that is called it as template. So instead of writing this 3 methods, we'll write a one single method and we'll create a template function. So to create a template function, we have to write template keyword. Inside the angular bracket, we have to write a keyword class, and then we will specify a generic data type, that is T. Then the next change, inside the throughout the program, in that function, we are not going to use anywhere customized data type. Everywhere we use a generic data type. So you are all in float and all that the customized data type is replaced with the generic data type. This generic data type is capable to deal with any kind of parameter. I will delete all these things because it is not required now. Now let's see a very small program we have got as a template, and this template is going to work with the all kind of parameters. Let's see whether it is work or not. Yes, it is giving you the correct output. The greater number is a float. The greater number float, that is a 17, and greater character is G. So by using template, we have created a very small program and which is able to handle all type of parameters. So that is your template is nothing but the function that we are creating which will work independent of the data type. So thanks for the today. We'll see you soon.